Yung mga nga nurse sinasabi, Madam, tapon na po natin. Sabi ko, pwede pang gamitin. Kasi matibay.
Kris Aquino, napakalaki ng improvement ngayon. Kitang-kita naman sa kanyang aura na napaka-blooming niya at talaga namang tumaba at hindi na kasing payat noong unang siya ay nagpapagamot. Finally nga ay muli na siyang makakauwi sa kanilang bahay after ilang weeks ng gamutan sa loob ng hospital. Ngayon ay sinundo na siya ng kanyang mga anak na sina Bimbi at Josh dito nga sa hospital. At finally, makakasama na nila ang kanilang mami na maiuwi sa bahay. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Narito nga rin ang makeup artist ni Kris Aquino na napakagaling talaga pagdating sa pagme-makeup dahil nga napaganda niya palalo si Kris Aquino ngayon. Bagay na bagay din kay Kris Aquino ang may pagkalaman din. Kaya naman sana ay ma-maintain niya ang ganitong look dahil napakagagaling ng mga doktor ni Kris Aquino. Katunayan ngayon nga ay nag-update na si Kris Aquino through video. Talagang malakas na siya at nakakapag-unboxing na nga. Kaya naman kinatuwaan siya ng kanyang makeup artist at ni Bimbi.
Yes, nagbago ko talaga. Eh, syempre wala akong kita masyado ngayon, di ba? So, di ba? But at least ina-appreciate ko na at least marunong na ako kung paano maging masino. I still stick to my rule na unless ginagamit ko talaga, hindi ko ipapakita sa mga tao.
These are the ones that I use.
These cotton the wet wipes you use for your face also?
Body.
Taray ni din.
Body and hands, ma'am.
They.
I can't,
Yes. Although this is not our home, we've been here though for 6 weeks. Pero finally, in 3 days, we will be allowed to go home.
Napakagandang balita nito para sa mga kamag-anak at family ni Kris Aquino na finally nga ay mauuwi na siya sa kanilang bahay sa Tarlac. Agad nga isinare ni Kris Aquino ang kanyang journey sa hospital. Sabi niya dito, I'm still in the hospital, hopefully discharged tomorrow. I feel like I'm still me, but I know myself better. I've learned which moments to treasure and that love and friendship need to be reciprocal. If you want them to last, walang perfect na relationship, but if you are willing to live with and learn to laugh at each other's quirks, then you have a chance to go the distance. And remember to fight fair. Nobody should play the victim, not if you truly love one another. Nobody is ever too busy to carve out a 10-minute text exchange or a 5-minute call to check on each other. My goal is once a week sit-down interviews with people who, for me, are interesting and in with God's blessing. Weekly enjoyable treatment of products I really use. Because there's a team doing my hair and makeup, I have a skeleton crew, a 2-cam setup shooting me, and the close-ups of others as well as product shots, and I'm excited to start sharing new home cooking recipes made simpler with all of you. Happy viewing. #brave, #love from Kris Aquino and family.
Oo, and meron lang akong kailangan gawin for myself para mas madalas niyo akong makikita. Hindi ako hihingalin and on its own po sa matatanggal yung mga yeah, it's called deep vein thrombosis na pwedeng makamatay. Hindi ako pwedeng lumipad until mawala sila because yung air pressure. But for this birthday, ang kapal na mukha ko pero sinasabi ko, hindi po ako pwede sa flowers kasi meron, I can really be allergic. Balloons. Yung gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng arko na puro balloons. Na rainbow colors. Kasi parang feeling ko, this year will be my rainbow year na pagkatapos ng lahat ng mga pinagdaanan ng mga bagyo, pagsubok, lahat ng ulan, lahat ng binaha, lahat ng pinagdaanan ko. Parang this year, slowly but surely, yung mga nagpapaligaya sa akin, magagawa ko na. Plus, other things na gusto kong matutunan. And I would not be here now. Wala ako talking to all of you. I would have long ago given up had it not been for Bim and for Kuya. Kuya's there kasi medyo punish siya dahil he was naughty to me last time.
Hindi naman naughty.
You forgot this. It's nice. What's that?
Why? Okay, sorry, I forgot.
But never
Last
power.
one, bro.
Oo. Okay.
But that's
Pink,
big.
ginamit ko na to.
Yeah, these are the ones we use
What's
for
that?
Yeah. Towel.
But that's washable.
Ang sarap niya.
Talaga?
As in talagang grabe mag-absorb. Thank you to my friend Jo who actually owns this. She's not my friend. And I'm really, really grateful to her kasi yung ano niya, nararamdaman ko na yung pagkaibigan niya sa akin is genuine and she always prays for me and she said her whole family. And actually, I was the one who said, you know, your products are so good. Gusto ko ipakita sa maraming tao.
And it's good na the first product that you're endorsing after a long while is coming from a real friend talaga.
Yes, and I did it for free.
Mm.
Yeah, I did it for her. Okay, because
And you really like this.
yeah,
Always talaga. That's
yes.
standard.
So she said na for life daw, there isusupply
For
niya
life?
ako. Oo.
Nice.
Nice, di ba? Sit down lang para at least,
Alright.
and we can call your kuya. Oh, come here, kuys. We love you all. Thank you.
Alright.
Dahil you've been praying for me nonstop, they still have a mama. And they will have a mama for many years to come. Hopefully. Mwah. Thank you for staying with me. You can order anything you like for dinner. Anong gusto mo? Yes. Okay, anong dinner gusto mo? Chicken. Okay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Okay, so, ang nangyari dito, you were in my hospital room habang nakahiga in my hospital bed. So, each time in my... excited ako kasi next time, malay nyo, not mine, but in the swimming pool. Kasi doon daw ako gagaling talaga if I do swimming exercises. Eh, hindi naman ako marunong. Boy. So, syempre, yung dalawang boys kailangan natin. Maraming salamat ulit. Love, love, love to all of you. I love you, Kuya.
I'm getting crushed.
I love you.
I love you also, man.
Yes. Baka may iba nung kinikiss si Bim.
Ah?
Oh God.
Until next time. Bye, everyone.